So many things they happen for relationship where we say nobody really know where relationship they go until person just like make it there around you, they fond of you, maybe because they give them joy where you know they pray for, maybe they treat them like better picking. So you get some things where you know if you hide. You get some things where they very, very important for you to talk. When una don't know, say yes. Ah God, I am like you. Help me through this. But I don't go lie, I don't know what I want to talk now. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Snazzy and welcome to Made for You. Honestly, I don't know what I want to talk because I know be relationship expert, but you get some experience where I don't get where I believe say I feel use them help you, in your relationship. Now, if you know say you don't do hookup before or you don't be marketer before, you don't do runs before, I think it did very important when you let your guy know after una don't already know say this thing on the head where you did pray for. Hi guys, my name is Snazzy. Kindly subscribe to my channel and help share this video. So many things they happen for relationship where we say nobody really know where relationship they go until person just like make it there around you, they fond of you, maybe because they give them joy where you know they pray for, maybe they treat them like better picking, maybe they make them making head they swell. So now why people they into relationship now for two things or three things, maybe say maybe they just feel clear their head, or maybe they need person to talk to, or maybe they want a knack. You understand? So and they don't want me then they go about just they knock people about, and then you understand. So different things that make people go into relationship. So when relationship don't happen like that, way two people don't already agree to say make them share their time together, make them they kiss, they knock, all those kind of things. Now waiting relationship day when we say we dey date ourselves. Now my girlfriend be this, now my boyfriend be this. So you get some things where you know if you hide. You get some things where they very, very important for you to talk. When una don't know, say yes. At least after two, three times when una don't see on herself, you don't pardon the guy. Una fit meet today, make una knack on herself, and you know, say the way you take knack you like him. It no matter whether you don't knack plenty people before, you understand. But the way when the guy just take knack you, and he just take care of you, it make your bubbles a burst. You understand? They make your head they swell. Those kind of things they make person want settle for the kind guy or the kind girl we see that day. You understand? But when you don't know, say okay, this guy don't dey tilt towards the yellow light. Before he reach the green light, try let am know say come. I be runs girl, or I dey do hookup before. I dey do better hookup. Oh. No be the one where you go hear say I do hookup from somebody, or we go one place. You understand? Meet person wey I don already do hookup with. Some people get they dey very jealous, and they no like better thing, especially when they know say yes. When they deal with you, you dey treat them well and you dey bring better come for their domot. But because they no sabi treat you well, na make you comot. So all those kind of things, just try make you let your spouse or that your guy wey dey ready to take you to the next level. So if you not ready to accept you the way you be, then voila, nobody fit shake you for that place except you go shake yourself. Do you understand? Different things dey wey we go talk on talk this matter, but I just say make I just try you know am, make I do am, one after the other, so that we go all understand ourselves.